My Kitten Friend. One warm summer day, a kitten was found, cuddled up tight, not making a sound, with fur as soft as the first light of dawn. In a garden where the plants and roots grow and spawn, with a laugh and a purr, the kitten did play. In the warmth of the sun and the light of the day, exploring the stems and the leaves all around. A world full of wonders waiting to be found. As the moon rises high and the stars shall keep, the kitten goes for a walk, not too far to leap. Beneath the vast sky, with 10,000 stars to see, the kitten finds its place, right where it should be. Under the vast sky, with stars shining bright, we thank the Lord above for the day and the night. With gratitude in our hearts, we humbly pray for His guidance and love in every step of our way. In the garden's embrace, where blossoms bloom, we learn to care for earth, to heal and to groom. Recycle, reduce, and reuse, we say. For a cleaner world, let's tread the eco-friendly way. Character. The kitten is the main character in the poem. It plays, explores, sleeps, and brings joy to the garden. Setting. The story happens in a garden during a warm summer day and also at night under the stars. Plot. Beginning. The kitten is found sleeping in the garden. Middle. It wakes up and plays happily in the sunshine, exploring the plants and bugs. And, at night, it rests peacefully under the stars. People pray and thank God, and everyone learns to take care of the earth. Theme. The poem teaches us to appreciate nature, be thankful for each day, take care of animals and the earth, reduce waste, and protect the environment. Comprehension questions. 1. Who are the characters in the poem? The kitten is the main character. There is also someone watching the kitten. At the end, people are praying and taking care of nature. And God is also mentioned. 2. What words describe the kitten? The kitten is soft, happy, playful, and gentle. It purrs, laughs, plays, and explores. 3. When and where was the kitten found? The kitten was found in the garden on a warm summer day. 4. How do the words about the kitten in the poem make you feel? They make me feel happy, calm, and excited. The kitten sounds very cute and fun. 5. What are the main characteristics of the kitten in the poem, My Kitten Friend? The kitten is friendly, playful, curious, and peaceful. 6. How do these characteristics affect the overall mood of the poem? The kitten makes the poem feel happy and peaceful. It makes me smile and feel safe. 7. How does the setting affect the actions and emotions of the kitten? The garden is a nice place for the kitten to play and rest. In the day, the kitten plays. At night, it feels calm and goes to sleep. 8. How do you take care of God's creations? I take care of animals, plants, and the earth. I don't litter, I recycle, and I help keep places clean.